Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart page link from WooCommerce in WordPress. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your site's navigation or guide customers through a specific checkout flow without distractions. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the WordPress site where you want to make these changes. This step is essential because you'll need full access to your site's appearance and editing tools. After logging in, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your site. Click on Appearance. This section contains all the tools you need to customize how your website looks and functions. Once you click it, an expanded menu will appear with various design-related options. From these options, go ahead and click on Editor. This is where you'll have direct access to modify your site's styling and structure. You're now on the Site Editor page, which is your control center for making visual and functional adjustments. Look at the left side menu and click on Styles. This will expand another set of options specifically related to your site's appearance. Within this expanded window, locate the three-dot icon at the top. Click on it to reveal additional settings. From the menu that appears, select Additional CSS. This opens up a code editor where you can insert custom styling rules that override default settings. Now a code editor will appear on your screen. I'll be flashing a line of code that you need to enter here. You can pause the video to accurately copy the code and ensure there are no mistakes. This code is what tells your site to hide the cart page link from view. Once you've entered the code into the editor, take a moment to double check that everything is typed correctly. Even a small typo can prevent the code from working properly. After adding the code, look for the button labeled Review 1 Change at the bottom left part of your screen. Click on it. A confirmation window will appear, giving you a chance to review what you're about to save. This is a safety feature to ensure you're happy with the changes before they go live. Simply click on Save to finalize the modifications. Your cart page link will now be removed from your WooCommerce site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the cart page link from your WooCommerce WordPress site, giving you more control over your customers' shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.